Hi, my name is Carlos, and I'm going to show you how to do a problem from concepts 3 through 4. And this is a matrix, and we're going to solve it using Gaussian elimination. Now this problem is from the DP problems, and it's number 3. So here we have our equation, and the first thing we want to do is to see if any things cancel or factor out. Well, for this one we don't. And now the second thing we're going to want to do is to set it up in its correct rows. For the first one I put it as row 2, second as row 1, and the third one as row 3. That way we already have a 0 for x. That way we don't have to do any work for this first one, because we need a 0 there and it's already there, so that will save us time. Now the second one, we need to have a 0 here, and to do so we have to use what I used was row 1 plus row 3, but it's 3 times row 1 plus row 3. Here did my work. Row 1 times 3 will be 3, negative 3, and 0. And row 3 will be negative 3, 0, negative 4, 24. You add those together, it'll give you 0, negative 3, negative 7, negative 27. Yeah, negative 27. No wait, that should be negative 24. That's my mistake. Now for the third one, the fourth one, we're gonna want to try to find the next 0 for the third row, and with that we have to use row 2, and I have it as 3 times row 3 plus 2 times row 2. It will be 0, 6, 3, negative 18 plus 0, negative 6, negative 14, negative 48, and it'll give us 1166. You can see I put that there. Now for the last thing we're going to want to do is to find the 3 ones. With this first row, everybody has a 1, so that's fine. The second row over here has a negative 3, so what we're going to want to do is multiply by negative 1 over 3, give us our 1, and negative 7 over 3 will give us times 1 over 3 will give us 7 over 3, and 24 times 1 over 3 will give us 8. And for the last row, here we have 11 and 66. We're going to want to multiply that by negative 1 over 11, so it'll give us a positive 1 and a positive 6. Now here are the points, and we're basically going to turn all these back into their variable forms as we have like in the very beginning. This time z will equal 6, y will be y plus 7 over 3z equals negative 8, x minus y minus 0 equals 3. We could just plug in 6 where the z is for the second one, and it'll give us 6 times 7 will give us 42, divided by 3 will give us 14. Just subtract 14 to both sides. Y will give us negative 6, and then we plug in negative 6 and 6 with the first row, and that will give us 0, because these two will give us basically x plus 6 minus 6 equals 0. That's still 0. So yeah, thank you for watching.